coming in as far as the Congress party is concerned. The Congress has claimed vindication after the Supreme Court's order that struck down the extensions given to the ED chief as illegal. And Congress leader Surjewala has taken to Twitter and said that this is a victory of justice. This is a vindication of our stand on brazen misuse and compromise of ED for political vendetta by the Modi government for targeting political opponents as also businessmen to spread terror. Now, Surjewala has further said that ED has lost all credibility except as a puppet in the hands of BJP government for settling personal scores, tarnishing democracy and to bring down elected governments. A big news coming in as far as the Supreme Court order is concerned. The Congress government, of course, has claimed that this is an indictment of the Modi government. For more details, let's quickly go across to Pallavi Ghosh, who's joining me on the phone line. Pallavi, going by what the Supreme Court order has to say, that all actions taken by the ED after 17th of November 2021 become illegal, null and void. What does this mean now? Is the Congress also demanding an independent investigation?
Oh, yes, absolutely. Both the Trinamool Congress as well as the Congress party, and particularly Randeep Surjewala, who had moved that petition in the Supreme Court, is actually claiming victory. As we all know, the ED and the opposition parties have a very uneasy equation, with the opposition parties often accusing the ED of being misused by the central government to target their political opponents. So in this, of course, they are sniffing victory, and that's the point that they are making, that we stand vindicated. We have raised this issue in the courts, and the court has taken cognizance of that. And therefore, there should be an apology. We should definitely come in from the central government. And more importantly, many of the steps which are taken by the Enforcement Directorate, particularly as far as the opposition party members are concerned, that should become now null and void.
At the same time, Pallavi, Surjewala has said that we had hoped that the Supreme Court would strike down the law which allows such abuses of the process to take place. But for now, the Supreme Court has let it stand. Could you throw more light on what is the law that he's talking about?
He's basically talking about this whole system of the extension of the tenure which was given to ED, and something which is there in the hands of the central government. The government can decide on the appointment of the ED director, and in fact also overcome and bypass any voice of dissent, which in this case did come in from Azir Ranjan Chaudhary and Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, because they're the leader of the opposition. And that's the point that they're making, is that there has to be a complete consensus whenever their appointment of these sensitive designations are concerned. That is what they were hoping, that the Supreme Court would intervene on that, but the Supreme Court clearly hasn't completely. But for now, whatever measure which has been pointed out, that the CBI director the ED director can only be in office till 31st of July. That is being seen as a win-win as far as opposition parties are concerned.
All right. In fact, Pallavi, I'm going to request